Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Rosio, and today's video it's gonna be a little bit different, something fun. I have this little washer. I know it was going around. It's supposed to wash your beauty blender, so if you would like to know if it works, then go ahead and stick around and continue watching this video. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. If you hear noises, again, I'm with Leilani. It's only me and her. My mom hasn't came back from Mexico, so it's I'm taking care of her because there's nobody that could take care of her, so you'll be hearing her. But yeah, so I did go ahead and purchase this off Amazon. I've been having it for like a month and a half, probably 2 months. I haven't opened it. It's weird that Leilani hasn't wanting to get it because it's like sitting in my desk. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'll go ahead and leave the link of exactly where I purchased, in case you guys want to purchase it as well after watching this video, if it works, obviously. But yeah, so I think it's really cute. Let me go ahead and open it. And this is the Dream House appliance toys. So I guess there's different ones, but the one I got is Dream House. And look at how cute. It's a little washing machine. And then this is where you're gonna take out the water. It did not come with batteries. I did have to put in the batteries, of course. And the batteries it uses, it's the AA, just in case you want to be prepared. But you open it, and then this is what it looks like. Let me turn it on. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of water, and I am gonna apply a little bit of the Real Techniques brush cleaning gel. I really like this gel, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of water and a little bit of, she's in the back. Mama, don't, you're gonna move it.
And this sticker.
Okay, thank you.
There. Your camera is broken.
Oh my goodness, it's broken. Okay, so let's apply. Oh, let me show you my, so these are how, this is the one I used. This is the Wet n Wild one. I obviously used it. And then this one is my Tarte sponge. I don't know if they're supposed to be wet or not, but I'm just, this one's wet because I was using it.
Are you ready for your checkup? How are you feeling?
This one is wet already because I used it earlier today, but this one is not. So I'm gonna try first this one and then this one. Okay, so let's open this up. And I'm sitting on the floor. I do have a towel here in case it gets messy. I can't put my my backdrop because my husband's on here. He's the one that usually puts it on because he like hangs it on the walls, but I can't do that. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of water. I don't know where to fill it up to. Should I go halfway or? Okay, so I filled it up until it covered that spinning thing. Should I put more? I don't know. I'll check right now. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of this cleansing gel. I did get this at Walmart just in case you guys are wondering. I usually wash my sponge every time I reuse it with the jabón sote, but obviously I'm not gonna put that in here. So it's like I squirted 3 drops. Okay, and we're gonna put this one in first. It doesn't even fit, you guys. It's so big. I don't know what to do. Look at I think I'm gonna apply just a little bit more water. Okay, so I don't know, you guys could. I dropped it. It's okay, I have a towel, but it spilled all over my legs. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it now. Oh my god, this is gonna be really messy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this now. And come over here, Mama. Come over here.
I already pushed.
Okay, push the button. Push the button. Oh, it doesn't even work. What?
What the heck?
You know what, you guys? It got wet. No, it failed.
No.
No, I think this one's leaking. Nope. Okay, definitely don't get this brand. Either it's leaking or... I'm just gonna put it back. Okay.
Oh,
Not what I was expecting.
I'm here.
Let me...
I'm here. I'm here.
Se mojó hasta acá abajo, so I don't think it's gonna work anymore, you guys.
I'm here.
Fail. Fail, fail. Maybe if I would have not spilled, because the water went all the way down in the batteries, and... Okay, it worked. It sounds weird now. Okay. ¿Sabes qué? Tiene un hoyito. Tiene un hoyito. I don't know. Okay, so este hoyito que está aquí, this little hole that's here, it goes like right through it. So that's why it's getting wet. Okay, let's try this one more time. I'm gonna put this one first. I'm gonna try to block this hole from the bottom.
Mommy, how to fix your belly?
You wanna fix that's?
Yeah.
That's not my belly. That's my heart, Mama. Okay, so I apply a little bit of
Your
that.
heart is
Water. Oh, please work. Please work. Okay. I'm gonna apply my... I'm gonna squeeze it because... Okay. I squeezed it because it had a lot of water. I'm gonna put it in there. Close it. Okay, push it.
Is it done?
You know what? It doesn't work with the water. Oh, no. Why?
Ah!
Wait, Lonnie, don't do that. So definitely don't get this brand. Oh my god. Let me take this out. It works, but it doesn't work with the sponge inside. Let me put the one that's not big yet. No.
It is.
It doesn't work, so... No, it doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Oh, I was so excited.
I'm super excited too.
Well, it's kind of... I must...
Mama!
So the water is turning like como si le estuviera quitando el foundation, pero es que no cierra. Solo sí lo limpió poquito. It did wash it a little bit, but I feel like if I would have gotten a stronger one or a different kind of brand, it would have worked. Okay, so definitely does not work at all.
Don't drop it again. Ah!
Espérate. Move, Lonnie. It's dropping everywhere. Just leave it. It's okay.
Ah! It's dropping my hand. It's dropping my hand.
Yeah, definitely does not work with sponges inside. Oh, look how satisfying that is, you guys. Pero todos los bubbles sí limpió este. I'm just gonna probably end up giving it to Leilani. It just soaked up. I soaked up all the water. No. It's a fail. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off. Let me see if this works. Lonnie, can you bend this one? The tube?
The tube?
Ajá. Bájalo para abajo. No, the tube. Ajá. Para abajo. Eso, para abajo. Yeah. Okay. So it does work. It comes out from the little tube, but Lonnie doesn't. Mama, can you do it again?
No.
Or hold this for me. Oh.
Should we do the heart?
Oh, crap. Okay, this is a mess. I'm just gonna put this away. Does not work. Don't get this one, the house stream. I'm still gonna link it down below just in case you guys want to get it and try it yourself, but this one doesn't work. But yeah, that was fun. That was interesting.
Yes.
Oh shoot! I really wanted it to work because I was like, I have something to clean my beauty blenders. Okay. So this one doesn't work. It still has bubbles inside. Lonnie, do you want it?
Yeah.
Here. Here. Wait. Let me take out the water first. Don't put water inside because it's gonna fall. It's gonna se va a caer la water. Don't put water in there. Okay, you guys. So definitely this was a fail. I forgot how much it cost. I think it was like $12 or something like that. I got it when I saw like the somebody did it on Instagram. So I'm like, oh, I need to buy it. So I bought it, but it doesn't work. It's really cute for like your daughter or whatever, but it does not clean your blenders because once, I guess con like the pressure, con la presión, it doesn't spin. Once you take it out, it spins the water that's inside, but it doesn't spin the sponges in there. They do have different kinds of toys as well. They have a microwave, a stove, a little vacuum, una plancha,
and
a little fan.
And
I think they all mini high quality, my ass. But yeah, did not work. Don't try this one. I kind of want to get the other ones just because they're cute. But yeah, you guys, I think this is it for this video. It was a total fail. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video and see you next time. Bye.